This is tensorPaper, an AI-powered peer marking for students. Up here you can see it has different options for the different models and whether you want to use your own API key or the codex CLI. And up here you can see the past papers which students have done. As you can see, a student can decide to either add an image or dictate an answer or just submit normally using a text box. The reason why this is better than normal peer feedback is that a student, if they are paired up with a friend, is usually more likely to be too nice to them and not be critical enough, and if they were doing it themselves, the same things happen. But with AI, they're a lot more likely to be critical of it. And once they get the response, they can check the real marking instructions, and then they can criticize the AI to see what it's actually doing right and wrong to foment a more to foment a better understanding of the curriculum. If they like the answer, they can make it green, or if they don't like it, they can change it and say that it was wrong. And during the review process at the end, they will see these differences, and then it also tallies up what subsections a student is doing well and what they're doing not so well. Currently it's just computer science, and it's made up of the three different levels for exams in Scotland, and each one has 5 papers and is split up into the subsections. This project couldn't have been done without the help of Codex and automating the extraction of the different PDF parts for the questions and then creating the data in a JSON format for structured use. And it would have taken about 3 to 5 hours per paper, but with Codex and 5.6, it takes it down to about 15 minutes of review time per paper, which makes it a lot more feasible and a lot easier to add other papers, and this could be done for any other subject and any other exam board. Here you can start it and teachers can share QR codes for what they're doing, and they can copy a link to put it in a chat. It'll take them directly to the new paper for students to start answering as quickly as possible so they don't get distracted. There is also benchmarks on how well the different models did. Usually Luna is performing the best, and adaptive is where different reasoning modes is used depending on different questions.